Knowledge is a document creation and management platform which generates tremendous knowledge capital for enterprise out of day-to-day document making activity of its employees. Knowledge does it by redefining how document templates should be made and managed in an enterprise, and in process creating huge potential for knowledge creation. This is the designer interface for designing structurally and visually rich document templates. This is a document structure window for creating document structure. Through an easy point-click interface, any complex document structure can be made. This is the data properties window setting data properties of various elements of document structure, and this is the visual properties window to specify look and feel of document and its various data elements. Knowledge template designer is basically very powerful interface through which we do not only define a document template but also control what all capabilities are to be given to a document creator so as to generate standardized, consistent and data complete documents. Let us define a template for say an IC design document for a semiconductor industry. So here we completed designing an IC design document as per the processes and data requirements of one semiconductor enterprise. As you can see, this document follows the structure as required in that enterprise, covering all the necessary fields by setting all the various properties and the look and feel of the document. Templates once created on knowledge are enforced during documents creation. That is, documents are bound to be structured. So now an employee, when creating an IC design document, will get a pre-structured and pre-formatted document, which not only ensures quick creation by removing all burden from end user, but also resulting in standardized and data complete documents. For example, these are the 4 sample IC documents created by employees. If we see any one of them, we'll see that the document is generated as per that enterprise data requirements and the standards set in the template. Creating templates and generating documents as per enterprise data standards not only simplifies, standardizes and speeds up document making, but it also provides arguably industry's most advanced search interface for documents, which gets you incisive insights and knowledge creation capabilities. Let us continue our example of IC design document with these 4 documents generated as per the template created for IC design. This is the search interface. And through these 2 windows, we create a search expression of any imaginable kind for searching into the documents created over this template. Let us create some basic search examples. For example, we want to have all the ICs and their features. You see, we got the results and we didn't got the full documents. We got whatever we wanted, that is the IC names and features filtered out of the complete documents. We got only those portions of document filtered out. We don't need to click and open and see all the full documents, and we can, as you can see, we can contextually find data inside the documents. For example, if we want to see all the ICs and the DC electrical characteristics, here it is. So we just got only those portions which we want. Now let's create some such expression out of it. For example, we want the pin description of only those ICs which have got crystal oscillator as a feature. So this we create a build query and we say this is feature and we want so what this means is that give just the IC names of all those ICs which have crystal oscillator feature. Only 2 ICs. Max 2839 and Max 2769. Let's create something more. We want to see all the layout issues of all ICs having applications in LCD display. So here we have layout issues. We want to see all the layout issues of all the ICs having applications in say LCD. So we have only one IC, DS1091, which is used in LCD displays, and these are the layout issues of those ICs. Now for example, we want to see electrical characteristics of those ICs which are used in either cameras or laptops and support a low power mode. Basically just wanted to show what all is possible through this. This is feature, we say low power. And from the matching ICs, we want to see the general description. So we have only one IC which features a low power mode and is used in both cameras and laptops. Again, basically we can change and or expressions, and whatever the resulting expression we can see in search query. Idea is that we can contextually search within the documents, and we can exactly pinpoint to the data we are looking at. Any level of complex search is possible. Basically, if you can imagine a search on knowledge, it is searchable. Imagine the knowledge capital generated when documents are generated for most of enterprise technical and non-technical processes. Knowledge gives a single point control to define and design document generation standards in enterprise by defining templates. Company data is generated in most future-proof format, that is XML, and it opens up many possibilities like using XMLs for other BI purposes or for generating visual graphs and statistics by applying XSL transformations. This and many other customization features will be possible by upcoming knowledge APIs to provide unlimited flexibility and custom control over data generation and knowledge creation in an enterprise. Knowledge. Simplifying knowledge creation by simplifying documents.